Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Monday.com automation recipes for teams. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with enabling automation recipes in Monday.com for your team, open your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to set up the automation. In the upper right corner, locate and click on the Automate button. A side menu will appear with various automation options. You can either browse through the templates or use the search bar to find a specific recipe. Select the automation recipe that best fits your needs. Once you click on a recipe, a setup window will open. Customize the recipe by filling in the required fields, such as trigger and action parameters. After making your selections, click Add to Board at the bottom of the window. The automation will now be active on your board. To manage existing automations, revisit the Automate button at the top. Here, you can view all the active automations and make any necessary adjustments. If you want to disable or delete an automation, simply find it in the list and click on the three dots next to it. From the drop-down menu, you can select to turn it off or delete it altogether. For further customization, continue exploring other recipes or create your own. That's how to easily enable automation recipes in Monday.com for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.